We ordered for alagaw. Ito yung isa sa mga best sellers nila.
Nice.
Ang gigil. Ano pa bang bago?
In-order natin lahat ng suman.
This is suman.
Ito, meron siyang ginger, sibuyas, green mango.
Ayun.
Among all the establishments in Antipolo, we found one cafe that can provide the three elements in one city: art, food, and nature.
We're here at Crescent Moon Cafe.
Entering Crescent Moon Cafe is like an escape from the hustle and bustle of the metro. Luscious trees and bushes surround the area. A koi pond that was once a World War II bomb crater, together with the trees and bushes at the back of the cafe, serves as a panoramic view of nature. A paradise in the middle of the city. Crescent Moon Cafe is located at El Sumulong Memorial Circle, Sitio Parugan, Talig, Antipolo City. All dishes served in Crescent Moon Cafe incorporate the natural flavors of their ingredients. They shy away from preservative and enhancer because Chef Bay wants each of their guests to smell the real aroma and taste the true flavors of the dishes that they serve. Among the staple dishes of Crescent Moon Cafe is Alagaw Appetizer. Alagaw Appetizer is Chef Bay's version of the famous Thai street food, Niyang Kam. Crescent Moon Cafe is the brainchild of the late Chef Bay Fernando. Chef Bay is the husband of the artist and ceramist Lanel Abueva Fernando. He is a lawyer by profession and loves to cook. In 1997, Chef Bay, together with his wife Lanel, opened a restaurant and a pottery studio and named it after their child's make-believe restaurant, Crescent Moon Cafe. The cafe has a serene ambiance with a vibrant and artsy decor. Pots and ceramics made by Lanel line up in the corners of the cafe. A visit in Crescent Moon Cafe is not complete without savoring the famous suman or rice cake of Antipolo. The famous Alagaw Appetizer is composed of basil, dried coconut, chili, ginger, green mango or kamyas, onion, shrimp, sweet peanut sauce, and alagaw leaf. You can mix and match the fillings of the alagaw leaf depending on your preference.
So, welcome to Crescent Moon Cafe. We ordered for alagaw. Ito yung isa sa mga best sellers nila. And then, here's how it looks. Meron siyang dahon ng alagaw. Ayan siya. So, kung paano siya kainin, para lang lumpia. Meron siyang ginger, Meron siyang coconut. Where's coconut? Ito. Ito. Desiccated coconut. Meron siyang chili. Ito. Meron siyang ginger. Sibuyas. Green mango. Hindi. Kamyas to. Green mango. Hindi. Ginger to. Meron siyang peanut sauce. Meron siyang shrimp. Ito. Kuya. Okay to. Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang. Saan yung green mango?
Kamyas na pa sir, wala.
Pero may kamyas. Or. Green mango slash kamyas.
Kapag may kamyas po ang sir, kapag walang kamyas po ako.
So yun naman.
Hindi pa naman naman.
Kaya natuto siya kayo. Lagyan mo ng basic. Basic. Ng coconut. Ayoko nito. Chili ko ba tayo dyan? Tapos, kamyas. Nakakabahan ako sa lasa nito. Meron tayong hibi or shrimp. Tapos ginger. And then, ito. Malamang ito yung pampalasa niya. Parang ako nagsasamgyup lang. Ang weird yun. Tikman nyo na lang kung kung
Alagaw appetizer is Chef Bay's version of the famous Thai street food, Miang Kham.
How was it? Very healthy. How was it?
There are a lot of dishes to choose from. For vegans, it also serves stir-fried glass noodles and veggies. The noodles are al dente while the veggies are crunchy. This dish has a flavorful and distinct taste.
There's the alagaw. And now, let's try the sumang itim. Ayan siya. Sticky black mountain rice topped with coconut cream and adobong kasul.
Yay!
Then let's try the suman chocolate. Topped with tablea. Fairness, masarap yung sumang itim.
Coconut. Wawa naman yung dito.
Matapang yung tablea. Harap.
Yeah!
This is the local beer ng Crescent Moon. They recommended Amir, which is 4%. Ilang percent to?
Sa likod. Asa?
5%.
5% and yung buhawi is 7%. Mas manamis daw yung buhawi kasi meron siyang chocolate stout. Tapos yung amihan, parang yung leading brand ng beer ang lasa niya. So, tikman natin. Nice amihan.
Yeah!
Approved. buhaw. Hindi ba shake well before using? Approve. So, guys, kung gusto ninyong mag-tour sa Antipolo, there are a lot of places to visit and a lot of restaurants kung saan kayo pwedeng kumain to enjoy your gastronomic tour. So, there. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!